Hi, good evening, it's Matt Mathias here. And if you're seeing this video, this is why it's important to have an email list. Look up there, that's Facebook. It's been out now for about 3 or 4 hours. And if you're relying on Facebook for your marketing, then, you've got 4 hours there that you're not earning money. And that goes for all the platforms. For example, if you rely on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever platform you use, somebody else controls it. And if there's an outage, then you've got a problem. And this is why having an email list of your own is so important. If you're seeing this video now, it means you've opened an email and you're looking at this. So if you haven't got a plan B, uh, then start building a list, and every day then you can send out an email message. And if you haven't received an email from me from a long time, it's because you're on the backup list, you're there. And every now and again I will send you something out, but come on, it makes sense. Build a list, so easy, and there's a link below there to show you all the tools. Don't get Facebook banned you, YouTube banned you, Instagram banned you, TikTok kicked you off. If you got the list, you own the traffic. Anyway, that's a quick message from me. Bye for now, and I hope Facebook is back for you soon. So bye.